Why is it a 4-point star, not 5-pointed or 360 degrees according to Brahma? Because of the crystals, how they form, or how star solidifies as it cools down. A painting below can explain, and also the condensed feature of it. This is crystal pressure. East believes in dragon or Naga theory, but instead it's a crossing underneath Earth, and they have a platform of different colored spacecraft with no windows alongside it, made from materials that can withstand heat from the Earth. This is much deeper. It's below Rockies region and extends to the rest of Earth, and there are many entryways, but only that takes you below through special machines and aircraft. Because light disperses in 360 degrees, but when the stars cool down into metallic core fluid, it cools down into 4 crystal arms. This is why Brahma is seen as 4-headed, pointing to 4 directions, 4 seasons, and 4 winds. The 5th pillar is adjacent and opposite and perpendicular from the center of crossing, going to the opposite direction, taking you into the journey up to Neptune and then to vacuum of space. Then why is Brahma 4-pointed, not 5-pointed? The pic also depicts the floating ball engraving in the middle, going from maze inside Earth, made intricately carved by some intelligent being, or something, or an insect leading up to this. It's because from there to Neptune, the journey completes as spirit form, or as vibratory string particle, and no spacecraft can enter it. You have to leave your physical body behind and enter Neptune as pure vibrating energy going into blue metal eye, or meta eye, or mata eye. So, the blue meta absorbs the blue energy, or blue light, and leaves only the white light ahead as it enters into Mercury, acting as a filter. It is a purification tool. It's a journey of a spirit. As you exit Earth, Earth retains the Earth element. Then you see white sparks of first Mercurian sun. Or sparks, and then after sparks you escape into vacuum, and see other stars as well. Or places of visit, where you again grow the specific needed body, according to the star elements, containing different rules, or working on different rules of physics and mathematics. These earthworms, they get faster and become snakes of same color like orange upon attaining more energy, or ingesting some advanced beings or insects for that matter, or elements of Earth. So, there must be giant insects or snakes inside Earth too, away from heat though. So, the snake or naga head must be around 700 kilometers to 800 kilometers below Earth in underneath Japan Trench, and its body wraps around Earth at various depths, like 500 kilometers, then 300 kilometers, then 200 kilometers, and then 100 kilometers known from earthquake signals as well. So East is right too that there is a dragon snake that spits fire. While it creates earth or soil, it also holds earth. When it moves or is disturbed or shakes, it causes tremors. Also, around its body, different insects can take birth too. It is responsible for all insects born directly or indirectly through its roots. This can explain sudden generation of same-colored insects incidentally, or representing as a freak coincidence, but this is how it may be happening. The body of the naga is wrapped in mud, and it is an intelligent being responsible for creation of Earth and further evolution of it, like bringing up continents like Antarctica and Australia with differing climates like opposite seasons of Australia. So, these insects can sense fast enough and create sudden appearance of similar coincidences like videos I captured in wild. Some things I could not make a video since it's impossible to cover everything. Also, dolphins saving humans is common. So, these insects are extra-dimensional than humans coming from stars that crash on Earth or meteorites that come to Earth. Like for example, while having a bath, no insect on the floor, suddenly a flash of light turning into an earthworm on the floor. This can solve sudden appearance of these insects and disappearance of insects if you observe closely standing in nature as it tries to replicate your clothes, bikes, and whatever is amusing to nature as sensory input data to nature. So, Hydra the colorful snake is the one ahead residing somewhere near the Jupiter-Saturn area, whereas Turtle is in Saturn ring, along with it floating moon rock crystal. So, I understand now it's a journey of how Earth takes your body after death. Going from spider rooms to other checkpoints in an Earth maze while your vision remains conscious all the time. But if your body is already filtered, exit is easy too.